Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a brush blow dryer review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you'll never miss a single video. This is what the packaging looks like. This thing is huge. Right now I'm going to put some heat protectant on my hair because I don't want heat damage. I'm just blow drying my hair. And I am starting off with freshly washed hair. And moisturize hair. I'm gonna put a lot. Section off my hair into 4 equal sections. This is how you turn it on from here. I'm gonna put mine to medium. But it just hurt my hands, y'all. It blow dried my hair pretty fast. It stretched my hair fast. It didn't take longer than 5 minutes to just get my hair straightened. Now I'm gonna do the front section. And I'm gonna do the rest off the camera. As y'all can see, the product did work. I did blow dry my hair with the product for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and this is how it looks. I normally take like 20 minutes to 30 minutes to blow dry my hair with a normal blow dryer. And my hair did stretch out a lot, as y'all can see. Y'all see me with a blowout. My hair is growing. I will try to leave this in real time so y'all can see how long it took me to blow dry a section. This is the final look of my hair.
None of you guys get high as me. Whoa. Post my drip up daily.